everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I'm so excited. Today's makeup look, I really love it. I really hope you guys enjoy it, so let's keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I'm going to be using the Peach Perfect Primer, and then I'm going to go ahead with the foundation and warm beige, and then I'm using my sponge from e.l.f. I don't know what it's called, but you guys know I really love this sponge. And so I'm just going ahead and apply this all over my face and make sure that I blend everything really nice and blended. And I really can't stop saying this, but I really love this foundation so much. This foundation is amazing for oily skin, you guys. It's just keeps me matte, keeps my foundation looking great all day. At night, I have trouble washing my face because it looks so good that I'm thinking, can I just fall asleep in this and wear the same makeup next day? But yeah, so I'm just making sure that everything's really nice and blended, as you guys can see, and then I blend it down to my neck and then make sure that everything's really nice and blended on my nose. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and set it with the setting powder. You guys know the setting powder is really strong. Like, if you say that this powder does not get in your mouth, you are lying, because this powder goes in your mouth and you can taste it. But this powder is amazing. It just keeps everything nice and matte. I really like this line. Like, this is one of my favorite products from 2017. Like, I don't know. I wanted to do a video on my favorite products of 2017, but I don't know. I just got really busy. It was really hard for me to even film. So, yeah. So, after this, I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face using the Makeup Forever bronzer. And all the products will be listed down below for you guys. And whatever I have a discount code for, I will list it as well down there for you guys. I want to thank everybody that has used my discount code and has been a loyal subscriber for a long time. It really means so much to me. I know that I'm one of the OG YouTubers and I haven't grown the way that I wish that I'd be right now, but slowly but surely, I'm just really happy that you guys are still here with me and that our family is slowly growing. But yet, I'd rather have loyal subscribers than just people that randomly really don't support me, just want to, dislike my videos and all that. So thank you guys so much for always being here for me. It means so much to me. Also, don't forget, down below will be the winner of my giveaway. I'm thinking that I'm going to be doing weekly giveaways. I mean, you guys have been here for me for so long that I think that you guys deserve like little giveaways. So let me know if you guys think it's a good idea. So I went ahead and applied my blush. Now I'm going with this new palette from Morphe, the 24G Grand Glam palette. Don't forget to use my discount code because you do want to get a discount on this palette. It's just beautiful. So I'm using the first color on my brow bone. This is like a bone color. I really, really like it as a setting. Just using one of those Los Angeles palettes, brushes, I mean. Beautiful. I love those brushes so much. So I'm using this little blush color right here. They do come with the names, but I did take the plastic off and I have to go look for it, but it does come with the name, you guys. So I'm just applying this right onto the crease and blending this inwards and outwards. And then I noticed that my camera was not focused on me, so yeah. So I just want to make sure you apply the color and then blend as well. I really like layering my shadows and I like to blend them all together just to make sure that I don't get no harsh lines. And then I'm going with these two shades right here. One is a shimmer color and the other one is a matte color. And I'm applying those right in the outer corner of the eyes. And I'm just working this. And I forgot to tap my brush. So when I'm applying the shadow, I'm supposed to tap so I don't get any fallout. But I was forgetting. So I kind of went ahead and applied a little bit of setting powder just so that if any fallout comes, I can just brush it out. And then I'm just going back and forth. I don't know what it's up with this camera that keeps auto-focusing from me. I have to fix that. So I'm just applying those same colors and a little darker brown shades and applying this right on the outer corner of the eyes just to give me more depth. And I just really want that focus of that dark shade in the outer corner of the eyes. And if you guys are wondering, my sweater is from fashionnova. I do have a discount code. I don't get paid by them to like promote them or anything like that, So, I mean, a lot of people don't like using discount codes because they're like, oh, well, I don't think this person should get paid because of that. But I don't get paid, you guys, so it's just like a discount code that you guys can use. So it's prettygrace for some money off just for you guys. All right, so I feel like this color is very pretty. So I went ahead and applied this and I applied it right into the lid. And then I stopped midway. I didn't want to go all the way because I wanted to keep that dark shade on the outer corner of the eyes, and then I just went ahead and blend that into the crease. Whew. All right. So here I'm just going back and retouching anything that I feel that needs to be retouched, and then I'm just cleaning out any fallout. You want to clean the fallout as fast as you can so it doesn't end up staining your foundation or your face or anything. Just want to make sure you powder that off as quickly as you can. All right, so here I'm just applying a little bit of setting powder and then dusting everything off. After that, I'm just going to go ahead and, excuse me, I have like a little tickle in my throat. I'm going to apply my lashes. These are my old lashes. These are the Cocoa Lashes in Goddess. You guys remember how I used to use these all the time. So I found an old pair and I cleaned them, and then so I was like, I'm going to use them. So one of the lashes is wonky, but I didn't have any more lashes, so I wanted to use it. So I'm applying this orangey color, and I'm going to apply this right in the inner corner of the eyes. When I first did it, I was really scared. I'm thinking, oh my god, you never apply something like this in the inner corner. You usually do like a highlight color or something like that. So I did use this one because I kind of wanted to keep it like peachy, nudie kind of type look. So I kind of really like how it looked. It just made my eyes pop a lot more. So then I'm applying those 3 colors right there that I use on my crease, and I'm going to apply those right in the bottom lash line. And then I'm going to bring it all the way in, and then I believe I do use a little bit of brown shade as well, just to give it a little bit of depth. And then clean out any fallout, you guys, because if you don't clean it, it's going to stain. And it did. I did forget to clean it, so I had to go back with a little bit of concealer to fix it after. But yeah, so yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply these lashes. I don't know, for some reason it's always this eye that I always mess up or don't apply the lash right, or it doesn't stick. I don't know what it is, but it's always that lash. I don't know, that eye. I don't know why. So yes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. I don't know why I didn't fast forward this part. I kind of wanted to try some parts faster and some parts slower, just to see what you guys like, because a lot of people think that my videos are too short, and then some people think my videos are too long. So I have no idea, but I was like, this doesn't look right, like this lash looks shorter or something. I don't know what it was. I just couldn't get it. So you're gonna see me trying here to fix it a little bit. I wasn't gonna edit this part out because I wanted you guys to see that sometimes we do mess up, and sometimes these don't come out the way we hope they would come out. So I'm here fixing them for a little bit, just trying to get it right. So yeah, and then you're gonna see me going back trying to clean the fallout under the eyes, because I don't want to apply no concealer, because I know that after you apply powder and you apply concealer or anything wet, it kind of messes it up and it makes it look nasty. So I kind of like thinking, oh my god, please don't have me to do this. So I'm over here thinking, okay, I'm gonna try to see if I can fix it. So oh my god, yes. See, I'm here trying to fix it. Like, okay, I'm gonna apply powder and then kind of blend this out. So hopefully this fixes it. On camera it looks fine, but in person it didn't look fine. So I was trying to fix it. So I'm just going over with powder just to kind of blend everything. So for eyeliner, I decided to apply the Benefit. What is it called? Oh my god, it's a pencil for your brows, but I decided to use it as a waterline. I will list it down below for you guys if I can't find it. And then for mascara, I'm using the Tarte one that came in my BoxyCharm. You guys definitely need to check out BoxyCharm, because all the goodies from there, I keep using them on my videos. I really do like BoxyCharm, you guys. It's like really inexpensive and it's free shipping. I'll list the link down below if you guys are interested as well. And then after that, I'm just going to apply a little bit of highlight, and I'm using Becca Cosmetics new Vanilla Quartz, and I really like it. Maybe I shouldn't apply so much, but you guys know I like to wear highlighter strong, like really strong. I really like wearing highlighter. I think that's one of my favorite parts from doing makeup, is the highlighter. So from here, I am using my liquid lipstick from Smashbox, and this is the color In Demand. I really like this shade. It's like one of my favorites because it's like an everyday kind of thing that I can wear if I don't even do like my whole eyeshadow, and I just do lashes and my foundation, blush, bronzer, I can actually wear this and it looks good and I can wear it all day. So I kind of do try to mix both of these together. So apply a little bit of this lighter shade from Ofra Cosmetics in the middle. And yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I want to thank you guys again for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Love you guys. Bye.